Welcome, I'm Carrera Alvarez, signature artist for Wella Professionals. Bond builders are an everyday essential in the salon, and Wellaplex is your perfect partner for all of your bond building needs. With this 3-part system, you will be able to deliver premium salon services while maintaining and protecting your hair. In this video, we will cover technology, how it works, when to use it, and how to use it. Wellaplex is a bond builder. It helps to reconstruct hair bonds for stronger hair during the lightening and color services, while still ensuring the perfect lift and color results. Wellaplex retains the pH of the color and lightening mixture at the optimal level, making it a perfect match for Wella Professionals lighteners and color. It is easy to use. There is no need to change developer strength or development time. Wellaplex is a 3-part system to provide in-salon and take-home care. Wellaplex number 1 is the bond builder that can be mixed into Wella Professionals lightener or select hair color lines, or it can even be used as a standalone treatment when mixed with water. After each Wellaplex number 1 service, you will follow with the Wellaplex number 2 bond stabilizer. Step number 2 stabilizes the bonds, rebalances the pH, and strengthens the hair structure. Wellaplex number 3 is the 3rd step of the system, which the client will take home to maintain in between appointments. I recommend doing this treatment once a week to keep the hair strong, smooth, and soft. So how does it work? Inside damaged hair, some of the amino acid bonds are broken. Hair damage can result from chemical processes, mechanical, or environmental stress happening within the hair. Mixing Wellaplex number 1 bond maker into your lightening and color services helps to reconstruct inner hair bonds for stronger hair. It retains the pH of the lightening or color mixture, enabling optimal lift and penetration of the dye molecules. No time or developer changes are needed with Wellaplex. Use the correct developer and time as usual. After processing time is complete, rinse the hair and finish with number 2 bond stabilizer to further strengthen the hair bonds and rebalance the pH factor. The number 2 enriches the hair fiber, smooths, and protects the hair surface. Now that we have talked about the technology and how it works, let's identify when to use it. Wellaplex is great to use for clients who want to lighten their hair, reducing the damage while lightening with no compromise on performance. Wellaplex is a great option for those clients that have damaged or sensitized hair who still want to color their hair, or those clients that are just looking to grow their hair longer and keep it stronger. When mixing Wellaplex, use your preferred Wella Professional color formulation or lightening product. Wellaplex is recommended for use with Colorstim Perfect, Illumina Color, Color Touch, and all Blondor products, with the exception of Blondorplex, since it's already built into the product. Follow this chart for recommended mixing when using with lightener or color. Allow color or lightener to process according to the desired end result. Remember, there is no need to change the developer choice or timing. Rinse thoroughly, do not shampoo, towel dry, apply Wellaplex number 2 bond stabilizer to the hair, process for 10 minutes, shampoo, and finish with Blondor Blonde Sealing Care. Wellaplex can also be used as a standalone treatment where you mix 6 parts water to 1 part Wellaplex number 1. Apply to the hair, process for 5 minutes, and apply Wellaplex number 2 bond stabilizer directly on top of it to process for 10 minutes. Thank you for watching and learning more about our 3-part Wellaplex system. I hope you enjoyed, and if you would like more information about the Wella Professional product portfolio, please visit us at wellaed.com.